Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the November 2022 HipKits. It's Cut File Tuesday and I chose some of the November cut files for today's layout. The Holly Wreath, the Mistletoe and Bow, the Ornaments, and the Merry Vibes cut files. I cut the Holly Wreath from the HipKit Club exclusive Essential Solid Spruce cardstock, which is included in the November cardstock kit, and the other ones from white cardstock. Now I back the die cuts with the HipKit Club Essential Solids Gold, Santa's Pants, the Icicle and Blush cardstock. The berries of the Holly Wreath. I use the red acrylic glitter paint, which is perfect for my Christmas layout. If you don't have glitter paint, you can also use red acrylic paint and mix it with glitter powder. While the paint is drying, I frame my photo with one of the chipboard ornament frames from the exclusive Chipboard Frames and Bits pack, which is included in the November embellishment kit, and embellish the frame with chipboard stickers from the Chipboard Frames with Silver Accents pack, which you can find in the November main kit. The paint is dry and I place my photo and the die cuts on my layout to find the perfect arrangement. I use 2 wreaths for a more dimensional look. Before I adhere the die cuts, I cut out a circle from the Hipkit Club exclusive Ho 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 Come Let's Sing paper and place it behind the wreath. I also add some floral die cuts which are included in the November embellishment kit, and a die cut and a chipboard sticker from the November main kit. Pieces of the cardstock on top and bottom of my page and on the side, and back these parts with the Come Let's Sing paper. get some puffy stars from the puffy shape stickers, which are included in the November Pocket Life kit, and Nuvo Silver Moon Dust glitter drops, which you can find in the November embellishment kit. So here you can see the finished layout. I hope you enjoyed watching the process and feel inspired to use our exclusive cut files on your project. Thanks so much for joining me.